Hello everyone! In this video, we will go over the 3 most things to know before you start an e-commerce business. Let's go! Selling on a marketplace or on your own website. Selling on a marketplace is selling on platforms like eBay or Amazon. Selling on your own website, you can create a website on Shopify and similar and sell your products through it. Are you liking this video so far? Please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. It means a lot to me. Thanks. The third thing to know is know your data. You can't sell a product without demand. It's a key rule in the business. That's when you can use software like Zik Analytics to find niches that have demand and winning products to sell. Effective marketing and SEO. Marketing sounds complex, but really it's basically identifying your target market. Ask yourself questions like, are you marketing to teens or the older generation? Is it typically more likely to be purchased by men or women? By knowing your audience, you can tailor your marketing strategy to suit. So what is SEO? According to Google, SEO is search engine optimization, the process of improving the quality and quantity of website traffic to a website or web page from search engines. Basically, SEO detects how well your web pages rank in search engines such as Google, and obviously the goal is to be as near to the top as possible to get valuable clicks from potential customers. The important thing here is that it depends on the platform you are selling. If you are selling on a marketplace like eBay, you should focus on using SEO to your advantage, as the marketing part is pretty much done as you receive traffic from eBay itself. But if you are selling on your own website, you should focus on effective marketing through Google Ads as you aim to bring traffic from outside to your website. So how do you use SEO to your advantage? Most importantly, you need to identify relevant keywords for your business and use this throughout the written content. Keeping content regularly updated, accurate, and informative is also a big help. So, what do you think? Are there more important things to know than these things that were addressed? I'm curious to hear from you. Let me know by commenting down below.